everybody, welcome back to my channel. I went to Walgreens this morning. I actually got there early. I was ready to check out early, and then the system completely shut down. She said they changed the new system down, so it's just making the computer super slow. She was saying that some of the sale items were not showing up, but everything turned out to me for fine. All my registers rewards printed out fine. I think all of my coupons came off, my digitals and everything. So I'm here to share with you guys some deals. I hope you guys are ready to get laundry detergent wasted. Now, in my Walgreens breakdowns videos, I was mentioning about the Arm & Hammer is going to be a huge moneymaker. They changed it. They only have it for 200 swag buck points, which you guys only get, if you bought 2 of them, you get $2. Every 100 points is $1 for swag bucks. So kind of disappointing, but you know what? That's still fine. That's okay. I was going to get both of them, but I ended up not. So I will share with you guys that in a second. So we ended up getting some $2 off Scott toilet paper coupons, right? I scanned the product. The coupon does not work for this one. It only works for the other ones. So in case you guys are like, oh, there's a coupon for it. No, it does not work for that. It's for the mega rolls. These are not mega rolls. But anyways, the Scott's toilet paper were $5. It's always been $5. There is a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would end up paying $3.75 for this. But you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $3.25. So it's an okay deal. Usually I say $3 is the best deal for this, but you know, a lot of you guys are really hurting for toilet paper. I know that people are starting to hoard this stuff again. So my other store that I go to, they never have anything on the shelf. So wanted to share with you guys that in case you need some toilet paper. Now, I'm going to share with you guys as many Ibotta deals as possible just because we are going to finish level 4. If you guys have followed my deals, there is some great bonuses going on. So this bad boy, a Purex, you guys, like this thing is originally $10 at the store, okay? It's on sale right now for $7.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $5.99 for this. But you guys, there is a rebate for Ibotta. It's only limit 1 for $5. You guys get a $5 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 99 cents. Like, seriously, this big jug, it is 85 loads of Purex, you guys. 99 cents. Great deal. When I was working on my breakdowns last night, I'm like, oh, sweet, that's awesome. So we ended up getting some all printable coupons. There are some digitals, and I do have some videos at the very end. Not very much. I'm not doing as much digital videos because there just really isn't very much going on, but there might be some digitals. Otherwise, there's definitely printables. These are on sale for $2.99. There was a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens coupons, but we have some printables, and there might still be a $1.50 digitals for these. But you guys want to use your $1.50 off printable coupon from coupons.com. You guys would just get this for $1.49. So it's an okay deal, I think, if you guys need some. They're 2 different coupons. So this one like didn't scan. I don't know why it didn't scan, but if you guys need some laundry detergent, go for it. And then I ended up getting the Arm & Hammer. Now you gotta make sure you get this simple and clean for the swag bucks. Now a lot of you guys say that the coupon, if it says you can't use a coupon for it, I did, and I still got approved for swag bucks. It's like a hit or miss. I don't know why it works for some people and sometimes it doesn't. Usually I always have like a huge list of stuff, so that's probably why it worked. I'm not sure. But these were 2 for $6. I do have 2 of them. I did use a $1 off coupon. They're all printable coupons if you guys need to use that. But you would pay $5 because it is a limit of 1 for 2 of these. But you guys will get 200 points for swag bucks, making them just, you get $2 back from swag bucks, making these just $3 or $1.50 a piece. Now if you guys are new to swag bucks, I always tell you to print from swag bucks on coupons.com. You get points for every coupon that you print, and you get points for every coupon that you redeem. You get 25 points for every coupon that you use in a store. It can take up to 12 weeks, so I mean, if you guys go way back and see what coupons you use, you'll definitely see those points. But Swagbucks and My Points is a great site just to get paid for just doing surveys. I recently downloaded the app, and I will be doing an updated video because the app for me was worthless for a while, and now it's so easy for me to just submit my receipts. So I will be doing a rebate or a tutorial for you guys sometime soon, but definitely download those so you guys can get some free points. I do know from what I've heard, Checkout 51 and Swagbucks are kind of sister companies, and I heard also MyPoints and Swagbucks are kind of sister companies. So sometimes if you guys see a rebate, it's one site or the other. So it's a hit or miss. Okay, so here's an easy freebie. Now in the ad, Colgate said there was only $1 off coupon. Well, I actually had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So these were $3.99. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that I used. You guys would pay these for $4.98, but there is a $1 rebate for this one and a $1 rebate for this one. I did a mix and match because I want to get as many different rebates. There's like 6 Colgate rebates right now on Ibotta. Plus it says you guys will get $4 cash rewards. I did not get cash rewards. I ended up just getting actually I did not get that. Hold on you guys, I did not get that. I will be contacting Walgreens because I did not get that. So I was supposed to get a $5 cash rewards, and it would come up to be a $1.02 moneymaker. So if you guys can do that, definitely go ahead. I will be contacting Walgreens because I didn't get the points for that. Some of you guys said that you don't get the points if you use register rewards. I don't know. Apparently, I did use some register rewards in this transaction, so we will see what happens. If that is the thing, we will definitely start making separate transactions, but I will let you guys know I do need to make a new Coupons 101 video. So there's also a Crest deal where it says there's a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I did not have any Crest 5 off of 3 digital coupon, but I did have Floss 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So this is an okay deal, but I know a lot of you guys like to get Floss. So this was $3.99. You want to use a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $6.97, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward, making these $1.97 or just 66 cents a piece or 33 cents a piece, because this is a 2-pack. So if you guys need to stock up on floss, that's a pretty okay deal. Now here is this week's little freebie. I could not believe when I saw this how tiny this thing is. This is like, it's like my fingers, it's like the size of my pinky, you guys. It's so tiny. This thing only has 10 pieces of sugar-free gum, but this is on sale for 99 cents. You would pay 99 cents for this, but then you get a 99-cent register reward, making these absolutely free. You can do this deal as many times as you guys want. Just do not pay with the same register reward. Otherwise it will not print. Sometimes people say they do roll. As far as I know, they are not rolling, but in case you guys need this little tiny little thing. I ended up getting this deodorant. Now we do have $3 off coupons that we just got in today's inserts, which I think is a pretty good deal. The Dove deodorant is 2 for $10. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that we got from today's inserts. You would pay $4 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $2 register reward, making these just $1 a piece. So you guys will get these for $2. You can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you guys will get points for that. So I did get points for that. So pretty good deal for that. I got some cereal. My stepdad's a truck driver, so I'm starting to get him like food and stuff for him to have on the road. So I got some Apple Jacks. He really likes this. These were $1.99. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use. You would just get this for $1.49. So not the greatest deal, but in case you guys just want to get some cereal, I am all like crazy cerealed out. It's just ridiculous. So I ended up getting some Campbell's soup. I ended up getting 2 chicken noodles and 2 cream of mushroom because I'm going to be making a lot of stuff, so I need to stock up on cream of mushroom soup. I decided with just the garbage lid just went flying. I decided with, like, after the holidays, I'll start making food meals. I'm starting to film everything right now. It's just, I don't want to be posting so many videos for you guys. So, these were 2 for $2. Now, watch out. There are some that are 3 for $4, but these are 2 for $2. We do have a 50-cent off of 4 coupon that you guys want to use that we got in our inserts, I think, last week. you would end up paying just $3.50. That comes out to be just 87 cents a piece for a can. I don't know if that's a great deal or not. I'm not like super brand specific. For chicken noodle soup, I really like Campbell's, but for like cream of mushroom, I'm not brand specific. But I haven't really like price shopped for that stuff. But in case you guys need to go ahead and get some soup, it's a great time to stock up on them, especially with those coupons. Now I ended up getting, this is weird, you guys. The thing said I was supposed to get a $4 cash reward for Colgate, but I ended up getting a $6 register reward. I wonder if those did rung up as $3.99. Let's see, because the tag said it was $3.99. Nope, they didn't ring up $3.99, they rang up $4.99. Okay, so I guess it wouldn't have been a moneymaker. I don't know. A 3 off of 2. Let me figure out the math for you guys on that, because the tag did say it was $3.99. So with that $3 off coupon, okay, this is still a moneymaker. With that $3 off coupon, you guys want to buy 2 of the $6.99 Colgate toothpaste. If you can use the $3.99, go for it. But you would pay $6.98 for 2 Colgate toothpaste. I have a pen in here, so when I do my breakdowns for you guys. But then you guys can submit 2 different rebates off of Ibotta times 2, and you'll get the $6 register reward, making it a $1.02 moneymaker. So it comes out to be the same way. However way you guys want to do this, it comes out to be the same way. So yeah, my total was $32 for everything. I only got 340 points. I don't know, I'm not getting points like I used to. They're slowly dwindling down, which is okay. I just like to have a lot of points. I did get $13.99 worth of register rewards. I did get $7.50 back with Ibotta. I got 4 rebates back with Ibotta. And then I got 200 points right away from Swagbucks, which is $2. So my grand total came to $8.17. I got 19 items for just 43 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. My goal every time I go shopping is to try to get it under $10, but definitely do the Purex deal, you guys. You have to do that. You have to do the Colgate deal and possibly the Dove deal. Those are my 3 must-have, must-do deals. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye. Need some garbage bags. They have them for $5.99. The baggies are on sale right now for $2.79. They're buy one, you get 2 free. So these come out to be just 93 cents a piece.